Chevrolet revealed the Blazer EV back in 2022. One of the models shown was the top-spec Blazer SS, which is set to be the power-packing version of the electric crossover. If you've been interested in putting one in your driveway, you've had to wait quite a bit. But your wait is finally over because you can finally buy one. Even better, it's arriving ready for sale with more power than initially announced. On the outside, you can tell if a Blazer EV is an SS with a quick glance, and no, I don't just mean looking for the badging. Each version of the Blazer EV gets its own unique style personality thanks to different grille and front and rear fascia designs, and the wheels are also different. On the SS, you get a bit more aggressive bodywork, and the rear lighting element gets a slightly smokier look to them. At the corners, the wheels are 22-inch rollers. I mentioned more power though than initially announced, and that's the more fun part of the Blazer SS. When it was introduced in 2022, Chevy said it would have 557 horsepower. Now, however, you have up to 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. You access the full brunt of the Blazer in the wow or wide open watts mode. It's enough punch to deliver a 0 to 60 time of just 3.4 seconds, and that's pretty quick. The powertrain for the SS is all-wheel drive, dual motor only, unlike the other trims, which depending on the trim can be had as front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. It's pretty amazing to be able to offer front drivers, rear drivers, and all-wheel drive versions all on the same platform on the same model. With the SS specifically though, you get an interior with suede microfiber trim for the seats, and the rear outboard seats are even heated. Heated and ventilated front seats are standard, and so is Super Cruise. Like on the other Blazer EV models, there's an 11-inch digital driver display and a large 17.7-inch center touchscreen. In spite of the available performance, it still delivers good driving range too. The EPA estimates 303 miles for the Blazer SS, which is pretty impressive given the power potential on tap. Still, it's not quite enough for that Daytona 500 pace car version they just showed off if the driver wanted to try and finish that race. As far as pricing goes, I think Chevy has this one sitting rather nicely as it relates to other performance-minded electric crossovers. The Blazer EV SS starts at $61,995. That's less than a Kia EV6 GT, Hyundai Ioniq 5N, Polestar 3 performance model, and those are technically a size segment below the Blazer for more money. It's taken quite some time to officially arrive, but it sounds like Chevrolet wanted to make sure the Blazer EV SS was properly prepared for battle in a segment filled with ever more enticing and capable options.